Hi, it's Ashlyn from the Potted Plant, and today I'm here to share some Chryssandra plant care tips that's worked great for me. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Chryssandra thrives in warm and humid environments. It loves partial shade to direct sunlight, anywhere between 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Soil plays an important part in the growth of the plant. You can use any soil mix that balances the drainage and moisture retention. The type of soil mix you use also depends on how much water is evaporated from it. If it is placed under direct sunlight, you can add coco peat to retain moisture. Or if the plant is placed indoors, you can add perlite or vermiculite to the potting mix to let the soil drain well and prevent the rotting of the roots. I use a soil mix of 70% garden soil and 30% of compost. I use a sour milk or a buttermilk fertilizer. It provides small quantities of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and probiotics that help increase the soil microbes. It is mild and gentle on the plant, at the same time very effective. To make this, add 2 teaspoons of sour curd into a container. Add 250 ml of water. And mix it well. Cover it and leave it overnight. Next day, mix it well and fill your spray bottle or watering can along with another 250 ml of water. Add this fertilizer to your plant when the soil is dry and leave it on the plant for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, water the plant thoroughly to remove any residue of the fertilizer. Water only when the soil is dry. To check if the soil is dry, touch the top layer of the soil. If the soil sticks to your finger, do not water the plant. Remove the leaves from the tips of the plant to promote more flowering. That's it for today. Please like and comment down below which plant care you'd like to watch next.